When I was like 15 years old, I was quite heavy and had a very big appetite. Gaining weight was easy, but I always found it hard to lose weight. This year, it became a lot easier for me. Watch this video to find out how. Protein, you probably heard it before. Protein is good for your muscles, blah 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 blah. But protein has one more big advantage. It keeps you satiated. Protein plays a significant role in promoting satiety, which is the feeling of fullness and satisfaction after eating. This can help control hunger and reduce overall calorie intake. Here's how protein contributes to satiety. 1. Digestion rate. Protein takes longer to digest compared to carbohydrates and fats. This lower digestion rate means that protein stays in the stomach for much longer, contributing to a prolonged feeling of fullness. 2. Hormonal responses. Protein intake affects several hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. For example, it can increase the production of hormones like peptide PYY and glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, which signal fullness to the brain. At the same time, it may reduce the levels of hunger hormone ghrelin. Blood sugar regulation. Protein helps to stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. This can prevent rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, which often leads to fullness of hunger shortly after eating. It's the volume of weight. Protein-rich foods often contain water, like chicken or beef for example. This adds bulk and weight to the meal, without storing excessive calories. Psychological factors. The perception of eating a balanced meal with adequate protein might also have a physiological effect, leading to a feeling of satisfaction and contentment with the meal. The combination of these factors make protein a powerful macronutrient in controlling your hunger and promoting feelings of fullness. Now, I'm going to tell you the way that protein has helped me in the past year. I bet you never heard of a protein-sparing modified fast. Yeah, it's quite a mouthful. A protein-sparing modified fast is a type of a very low calorie diet designed to aid in significant weight loss. It's often used by individuals who need to lose a significant amount of weight quickly, such as pre-surgical patients or those with obesity-related health issues. Here's a breakdown of the key components of a protein-sparing modified fast. High protein intake. The diet emphasizes a high intake of protein to help preserve lean body mass while losing weight. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle tissue, and by consuming enough protein, the body is less likely to break down muscle for energy. Low fat and carbohydrate intake. The diet is very low in both fats and carbohydrates. This forces the body to use its stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Very low calorie. Total daily caloric intake on a PSMF diet is typically very low, often around 800 to 1000 calories, though it can vary based on your individual needs and medical guidance. Short-term use. Protein-sparing modified fast is generally not considered a long-term solution for weight management. It's often used for a short period to kickstart weight loss or prepare for a medical procedure. Of course, I'm really thinking, this guy is totally nuts. Okay, this is not what I did. I did not do a strict diet like this. I just modified it. Hunger is always a big thing for me when I'm trying to lose fat. Whether when I do this, I'm just not that hungry. On a normal day, I eat around 3000 calories a day, like 200 grams of fat, 200 grams of protein, and like a maximum of 100 grams of carbohydrates a day. But when I do this, protein-sparing modified fast, I reduce my fat intake to a maximum of 80 to 100 grams. And my protein goes up with another 50 to a total of 250 grams a day. This is so easy. I just cut almost 1000 calories a day, since fat is like 9 calories per gram. And because of my high protein intake, I am satiated enough. Because the protein stays longer in my stomach, it brings different satiety hormones and my blood sugar is more stable throughout the day, which makes it so much easier for me to lose body fat. When I do this 3 times a week, I create a caloric deficit of 3000 calories, which is a pound or almost half kilogram of fat each week. So this way I can just eat around maintenance or just above on my weightlifting days. And on my off days I do this low fat diet to lose the weight easy. If you want to lose fat easy, just try this and adjust it to your own demands and your exercise routine. I hope you've benefited from this video and you would really help me out to make more of this nice content if you subscribe. Thanks for watching, good luck in your fat loss journey, and I'll see you next time.